Good morning, kids. Welcome back to the class of computers. I, Miss Pooja Jiswani, is going to take your computer classes. As in the last class, we have seen ALU, which is Arithmetic and Logic Unit. We have even gone through the Control Unit and Memory Unit. We started with the output devices. In that, we have completed the two types of monitor, which are TFT monitors and CRT monitor. Today, we'll start printers. You all have seen a printer and you might know how it looks like. A printer transfers the information that you see on a monitor onto a paper. The printed information on the paper is called the printouts. Some printers can print only in black and white, while other can print in color. You might have gone in the photo studio, and there you get your photocopy. You can call it a color print, while when you get a Xerox, you can call it a black and white print. As there are various types of printers available in the market. For example, dot matrix printer. This is inkjet printer, and this is laser printer. Well, we'd like to give you a small tip here of this. Laser printers works very fast as compared to the other printers. Moving on to the next topic. Speakers. You all have seen this device and used very well. Even the updated one are there day by day. So what we are using speaker? Well, you can listen to music and sound effect using speakers. Though computer already having a little bit of small speakers inside it like laptops, but still if you will attach a speaker to it, you are able to listen a sound in a very good quality and a good volume. Moving on to the next one, that is storage devices. You may need to store the result of processing for future use, isn't it? Or whatever work we do on the computer, we want to save it for the further use always. For example, you may want to save your drawing so that you can view it later. The device used for storing data are known as a secondary storage device or storage media. I repeat, the device used for storing data are known as a secondary storage devices or storage media. We'll see some of the storage devices. Hard disk. Hard disk is the main storage device of a computer. It is present inside the CPU box. It can store large amount of data. All the work done on a computer can be stored on the hard disk. Well, nowadays you are getting a portable hard disk as well. Could be of a 500 MB or more than that. Moving on to the next storage device. CD. Nowadays I understand nobody uses a CD for storing their data, but then earlier times we used to use the CD to store our data. Well, CD stands for computer disk. CDs are circular in a shape and can store a lot of data. They can be easily carried from one place to another. Most of the programs and games that you use on your computer are also available on CD. Well, the next one is DVD. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc. A DVD looks like a CD but can store more data than it. You can store many movies in a DVD. A quick tip I want to give you here. A Blu-ray disc, also known as a BD, can store about 5 times more data than a DVD. It's also one of the storage device. Last but not the least is pen drive. Pen drive is again a storage device which is very small in size. It can be easily carried in a pocket or a bag. A pen drive can be used to store and transfer data from one computer to another. Nowadays, for transferring or storing a data, many people use a pen drive only. The next is hardware and software. The various components that make up a computer system can be broadly classified into hardware and software. A computer hardware is a computer item you can physically see or touch, like keyboard. You can touch it, even mouse, monitor, etc. So, what we can say here, the device which you can touch or feel can be considered as a hardware devices. While the software is a computer program that tells the computer hardware how to operate, like Windows, Paint, and others. So in short, we can say the software is a device to which we cannot touch or feel. It is a program. Actually, it's not a device, it's a program. Like pen. Can you touch the pen? You can see it, but can you feel it? No. So that's why it will consider as a software. Thank you.